This provides listeners access to the full nuance and texture of high-res recordings. Auto-detect. The Dragonfly Cobalt auto-detects the optimal sample rate and bit depth of the input audio signal and adjusts accordingly for the highest quality playback. This ensures the DAC takes full advantage of the source resolution. Listeners don't have to configure any settings. Connections. The Dragonfly Cobalt features a standard USB-A port for connecting to computers and a USB-C port for newer phones and tablets. Both ports support 24-bit/192 kHz resolution. An optional USB-C to micro USB adapter is available for older Android devices. Upgrades. The Dragonfly Cobalt incorporates special circuitry, an upgraded S-Saber DAC chip, lower jitter clock, and custom resonance control feet compared to previous Dragonfly models. For significantly improved performance. Plug and play. The Dragonfly Cobalt is a class-compliant USB device, meaning it works immediately upon connection with no driver installation required for Macs, PCs, iOS and Android. Listeners can be up and running in seconds. Compatibility. In addition to computers and mobile devices, the Dragonfly Cobalt can also be used with game consoles like the Nintendo Switch to enhance their audio output. However, some note it doesn't support the new Lightning to USB camera adapter for iPhones. Price. The Dragonfly Cobalt costs around $250, which is significantly more than its predecessors but still below comparably performing standalone DACs. While an investment, most listeners note the audio improvements are worth the higher cost. In summary, for listeners looking to upgrade the sound of their computers, phones and tablets without buying a full-size hi-fi DAC, the AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt provides a portable and effective solution in an elegant design. While not at the level of dedicated standalone products, the Dragonfly Cobalt delivers significantly better audio than standard headphone outputs and supports high-resolution digital audio. Its plug-and-play compatibility, auto-detect features and form factor make it an easy recommendation for anyone seeking an enjoyable yet affordable enhancement to their portable audio setup. The AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt is a high-end online audio amplifier that is designed to provide exceptional sound quality and performance. This compact device connects to a computer or mobile device and uses advanced technology to enhance the audio quality of music and other audio files. In this detailed review, we will take a closer look at the AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt and evaluate its features and performance. Design and build quality. The AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt features a sleek and modern design that is both attractive and functional. The device is small and portable, making it easy to take on the go. Additionally, the device features a high-quality construction that is designed to last. The device's USB connector is designed to fit snugly into a computer or mobile device, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Audio performance. The AudioQuest Dragonfly Cobalt is known for its exceptional audio performance. The device uses advanced technology to enhance the audio quality of music and other audio files, resulting in a clear and detailed sound that is free from distortion and other artifacts. The device features a high-quality digital-to-analog converter (DAC) that is capable of handling high-resolution audio files. Additionally, the device features a high-output headphone amplifier that is capable of driving even the most demanding headphones.